Alright traders, buckle up. Today, I'm going to break down how ChatGPT managed to make a staggering 19,527% profit in trading. You heard that right? This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme, but a powerful strategy that leverages AI to its fullest. First off, let's talk about what ChatGPT is. It's an advanced language model developed by OpenAI, primarily known for generating human-like text. But in this case, we're using its predictive capabilities to analyze market trends and make trading decisions. Now let's dive into the settings that made this possible. The key here is data. I fed ChatGPT with historical market data, news articles, social media sentiments, and even technical indicators. This helped the AI learn patterns and predict market movements with impressive accuracy. Next, I set up specific trading rules. ChatGPT was programmed to only make trades when certain conditions were met. For instance, it looked for bullish signals like moving average crossovers, RSI thresholds, and MACD histograms. This ensured that the trades were based on solid technical analysis, reducing the risk of false signals. But it's not just about making the right trades, it's also about managing risk. I incorporated strict stop-loss and take-profit levels to protect the gains and minimize losses. This is crucial because even the best strategies can falter without proper risk management. So, how did it perform? Over a backtesting period, ChatGPT strategy turned a modest investment into a whopping 19,527% profit. That's the power of combining AI with smart trading tactics. But remember, past performance is not indicative of future results. The market is ever-changing, and while this strategy worked wonders in the past, it's essential to continuously monitor and adjust it. Now you're probably wondering, can you do this too? Absolutely. With the right tools and data, you can leverage AI to enhance your trading strategy. But always start with a demo account to test your settings before going live. To wrap it up, AI is revolutionizing the trading world, and ChatGPT is at the forefront of this change. By integrating AI into your trading strategy, you can potentially unlock significant profits. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more trading insights and tutorials. Until next time, happy trading!